Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
My husband has been telling me for years that he wanted a whiteboard in the garage so that we could write down the things that we're taking in and out of the chest freezer. And what a fantastic idea this was. It's made everything way more easy and organized so that I can remember what's in there and what I can cook next for dinner. I love how easy this whiteboard is. The colors are bright and everything cleans up very easily, whether you're using the magnetic marker tops or the cute little eraser that comes with the set. Everything that comes in this kit is magnetic, and everything sticks very strongly even if you shake it. It is also double-sided, and it comes with a little stand so that it can sit freely on its own, or you can hang it in an office, bedroom, or study. I've had this hanging in my garage for a few weeks now, and my dear son left a little message on it for me, and I was thrilled to see that I could clean it up with ease and it didn't leave any residue behind, even though it was in the garage through cold nights and warm days. I also love that the markers are easy to use. Even when I misspell a word and have to ask Alexa how to spell it correctly, these markers have no problem fixing my mistakes. So if you're looking for a versatile and durable whiteboard, then look no further.
And that's my point of view.